Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right now by preparing the essentials and taking the first deliberate actions. Lay the frame on a soft cloth with the temple arms folded. This prevents scratches. Use a small flat tool or fingernail to find the lens retaining groove and apply gentle pressure at the hinge point. Push outward and up. You do this to free the lens edge without bending the frame. Once the corner releases, slide the rest of the lens forward and out, keeping fingers clear of the lens surface to avoid smudges. Now you fit the new Oakley Sliver lens precisely and confidently. Identify the top edge and align the lens curvature with the frame. Orientation matters because right and left are mirrored. Tuck the top edge under the frame lip first, then apply light, even pressure to the outer corners so each corner snaps into the retaining groove. You will feel small clicks as the lens seats. Once done, run your finger gently around the seam to confirm the lens is flush and there are no visible gaps. Finish by securing and testing the assembly so the lens performs like new. Gently flex the frame and press each clip point to confirm the lens will not dislodge during wear. Clean fingerprints with a microfiber cloth and inspect optical clarity in daylight. Move the glasses up and down to ensure stability. If the lens pops or shifts, make sure no grit sits in the groove, reseat corners one at a time, and check the frame for any bending. If needed, repeat insertion steps with care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.